Pig.
Pig.
Bird.
What kind of bird?
Color bird.
An owl.
Owl.
What's the owl say?
Woo, woo.
Woo hoo.
Woo, woo.
Oh, what's this one?
Lion.
What's the lion say?
Wow. Cookie. Ribbit, ribbit.
Froggy, ribbit, ribbit, yeah. Frog.
Fish. Fish.
Fish is swimming, huh? What's this one?
Duck.
What's the ducky say?
Poor. Ducky.
Ducky says quack, quack.
Quack, quack.
What's this?
Cookie.
What's the doggy say?
Woof, woof.
What's this one?
Cow.
What's the cow say?
Moo.
What's this one?
Cat.
What's the kitty say?
Meow, meow.
What's this one? What is this one?
Birdie.
What's the birdie say?
Fly.
Yeah, they do fly. What's this? This is a hard one.
Cat.
It's a ladybug.
Ladybug.
Yeah, ladybug. What's this?
Cat.
What's the kitty say?
No.
Did you make a poop?
No.
What's this?
Horse. Yes.
What's the horsey say?
Hey.
Hey, that's right. What's this?
Cow.
No. It's a goat.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. What's this?
Duck. Rat. Rat.
What's this?
Rat.
Giraffe, that's right. What's this?
Elephant.
What's the elephant say? What's this?
Chicken.
What's the chicken say? Fox, fox, that's right. What's this?
A fly.
A butterfly.
A fly.
What's this?
Zebra.
Zebra.
Zebra set.
What's this?
Sheep.
What's the sheep say?
Bear. Bear.
What's this one?
Ducky.
What's the doggy say?
Brown on. Blue.
It's a brown one too, huh?
Yes.
You know what this is. What is it?
Cow.
It's a mouse.
Mouse.
What's the mousey say? Squeak, squeak, yeah. Oh, what's this one? This one's a fun one.
Yeah.
You know what this is?
Cool.
A squirrel, yeah. What's this one?
Yes.
You know what that is. Look at it. What is this?
Hold it right there. I'm a rattlesnake will be mad sore if you scramble their young.
What's this?
In your ring.
You know what that is? Tell me.
Cow.
No. What is it? It's a turtle.
Dog.
A turtle. Lost one of the animals. Which is this?
Bunny.
A bunny. Boing, boing. Okay, now here comes the fun stuff.
Hey, apple.
Hey, apple. Okay, what's this one?
Hey, blue.
The balloons. What's this one?
C, cat.
C, cat. I hear our baby bird. What's this? Brian.
D, duck.
What is this?
E, duck.
Those are eggs.
Fish.
Unfortunately, the beaver is
What's this?
gone. In retrospect, it was a poor choice.
Frog.
What letter is that, though?
F.
Ah. What's this?
When we do,
D,
this
good.
will be called
How many decks will your blackjack dealers use? 3.
4.
Deal. My brother.
H, hammer. Boom.
Boom, boom, yeah. What's this one?
Ice jet.
What letter is it?
Ice
But what letter is that?
I.
I.
Americans can reach
For ice cream. Here. Brian,
No.
what the heck? Wipe it on your shirt. What letter is this?
Good.
J for... What's J for?
Jack.
Jack, yes. Grandpa Jack. What's this?
K.
What's K for?
K.
Kiss. What's this a picture of? It's a key. The K is for kiss. That's right.
A.
L for...
Re-raise my ass. Now you're going to be swimming next one.
That's a ladder.
Yellow.
Ladder. What else is L for? Leg.
Leg.
Look at this.
Ow, damn it.
Brian.
M.
M for...
Boy.
Those are marbles. But what's M for?
M. Money.
Mommy, that's right.
M. M.
Oh, baby M, yeah. What's this one?
Four.
It's a nest.
Nest.
What's a nest?
S.
No, what letter is that?
A.
N for nest. That's right.
O.
Orange.
Baby on. Baby on.
Baby, oh, yeah. What's this?
O. P.
P for... Are you making poo-poo? You want to go in a potty chair and get a candy?
No. No.
Okay, look. What's this?
P.
P for... Poo-poo?
Pear.
For pear, okay. Potty? P for potty?
P. Fighting.
What's this one?
Q.
Q for...
Cat.
What are these? Grandma showed you what those were.
Tail. Little tail.
It's cute with the tail. It's a quarter.
Quarter.
Ooh, child, you smell. What's this one?
Inch.
No, what is that?
Or.
R for...
Bunny.
No, rabbit.
Rabbit.
What else is R for? What else is R for?
My
You want to tickle it? Aw, pet it. Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Here. Brian, you watching The Simpsons?
Keep going.
Shark. Shark.
What letter is that?
Ah.
S for...
You get unbeatable things.
What, you got itchy? You got bugs in your hair?
B. S.
Baby S. S is for... Shell.
Shell.
And shoes.
And shoes. And shoes.
You have shoes on, yeah. What's this?
And to thank you for 10 great years, we're giving you
Kickoff.
$1,000 a week
What letter's that?
and a chance
Cheese.
Yeah. T for turtle. What's this?
right here in LA. And you could win big during
Don't grind your teeth.
the celebration going on now at
Shoes.
Use for
Blowing.
what?
Blowing. Blowing.
Oh, the umbrella.
Blowing. Blowing.
B's for blowing.
Changes the game.
Okay, you done with that one, alright?
LED TV. Live sports.
Shoes.
B for
Blowing.
violin, yeah. You play on your violin, baby. That's so good. Nope. W
W.
All trucks come
for
90 horsepower NAPH.
wagon.
Let's
W
Trucks are
K.
Ram 1500, the most rewarded.
go.
It's an xylophone.
Telephone.
What letter is that?
S.
Almost done. What's this?
Y.
For
Yo-yo.
yo-yo. That's right.
N.
No.
Z.
Z for
Zebra.
zebra. Say bye-bye.